Alright, so this time I'm going to pull a vacuum on it. So I suppose, alright, so then you got a chamber full of ions. They're supposedly in the chamber. Of course, they're so small we can't see them, and they move faster than the speed of light. That's why we don't see them. But anyway, if you actually, let me turn this down so you can hear. Alright, so once you've filled up your collection chamber with the HHO and delivered it into your gas core transformer, I believe that you have this, something similar to this attached to that, and you know, without this actually being on, because I've pulled a vacuum on it, you should be able to hear this. And I'll just, all I have to hold the vacuum is a piece of electrical tape. Let's see if you can hear this. Okay, I don't know if you heard that or not, but so when you did that, if that was connected to your closed loop gas core VIC transformer. So what I was going to try is the experiment, and what you see in my little setup here is basically Riss, I know, basically, right? We'd make have our gas just being made here, fills up inside of here to a predetermined pressure. And then once your pressure's inside of here, you can shut the cell off. It's not necessary to run any longer. And you have gas filled in here. The gas would be released, go into your gas core transformer. And this particular setup, I have like an I-core here, but this is just for different variables so that I can try different things. And as the since you're going to have a north and a south, when also Meyer called for whenever the on the output to have a set of magnets right here, because that field is circulating and it's going to push and I guess further polarize the hydrogen and oxygen, so that whenever it gets to moving because it should be attracted and repelled at the same time by the coils, so that should create an acceleration effect like the particle accelerator at CERN. And at the same time, anything that escapes would only go back into the chamber. So that's how you get, but it'll stay here for the most part, because because the core will be magnetized and particles will be polarized, I believe. Now, this is just me. Again, I've only been working on this for a year or two, but we're getting there. It's my little setup of the kind of the cheap version on top there. Oop. Trying to for priming the oxygen or whatnot. And what I did on this was I put a stainless steel grid here, and I have a hookup right here for the grid for extracting the electrons, and what's below it is the one that it's going to be the good one. I get my light pipes and covers and everything, but each one of those holes will be for a light pipe for one of the red LEDs. But anyway, yeah, so that's where I'm at. That's what I'm working on. The reason, I believe the first person, well, what I found was that Alex Petty had actually posted this information quite some time ago, and I guess at that time I didn't understand enough to understand what was happening, but based on everything that I've been seeing everybody work on, I don't know, the VIC transformer seems to be where it's at, and maybe this is the answer, maybe it's not, I don't know. As soon as I get the rest of it put together, we'll find out. And if it is, I plan on sharing everything that I know with everybody I know, and getting it done and helping one another, because that's what it's going to take. And it's all of us coming together in one accord, you know, like Stan said.